Okay, so this is the book The Magic of the Lost Temple by Sudha Murthy. In this book, a girl is there named Nooni who lives in Bangalore, and due to some reasons, she goes to her grandparents in a village, and she like she's after there when she goes there she learns different things from village like cycling, painting and all that things, and she quickly adapts to the way of life in the village, and she hears a story of a stepwell from her grandparents. uh,
Step what?
Stepwell. Stepwell, no?
मतलब वेल होता है ऐसे स्टेप्स
अच्छा अच्छा
And then she tries to like she didn't knew that whether it was real or not, and just like that they were going to some mountains and they found something on there. They removed it, and then the excavating team came and they found this step well in their village. That's it. There's no suspense or something like that, but it has some life lessons and all.
व्हाट लाइफ
Like
लेसन
some
वो स्टेप वेल का कोई सिग्निफिकेंस है क्या?
Uh, in this book, they say that it was for gods, and some apsaras came down there. That's what the stepwell was.
वैसे इस तरह की स्टोरीज काफ़ी फेमस हैं. एक उत्तराखंड में रूपकुंड करके साइट है. रूपकुंड नहीं इट्स ओके वो तो दैट्स इट.
हाँ.
So